on my channel Beauty and the Peace. Hope everyone is doing great and you are safe at your home. I have started a new series called #WW, which means Winter and Wedding series. In this series, I am dumping each and every possible videos which is related to winter and wedding. Today's video is gonna be quite interesting, and I know you guys has guessed correctly. Yes, I have created this makeup look, and this Christmas special makeup look is shared by Katy Perry's makeup artist in his Instagram post, and I just love this look. This is very funky and total Christmassy vibe you can get in this look, and I was quite interested to recreate the look. I think I have done quite a good job. Now this is the time you can judge that how I have created this look. If you like the video, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please share this video link with your friends and relatives to get more fun. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. You have to just press once on subscribe button, and that's all. Subscription is free, guys. So let's get started. This is her look. Today I'm gonna recreate, so let's start it. This is my bare face, and I have washed my face and applied some toner. Now I'm gonna moisturize because it's winter and it's necessary to moisturize your skin very well. So I'm gonna use this Lotus um, Nutra Moist Moisturizer. Moisturize your face. It doesn't matter you are from dry skin family or oily skin family. Okay, now my face is ready to get some makeup. So first I will conceal my eyes, and for that I'm going to use this concealer. This is the Swiss Beauty, and I'm in the shade 01. I just push the camera towards my face just to show the makeup well. Okay, this is the brush I'm gonna. Now I have blended the concealer all over my face. Now it's time to do eye makeup. Generally I always do my face makeup, base, foundation, everything, and then I do eye makeup. But today I'm gonna do eye makeup first, and then I will make my base. Before starting eye makeup, I will apply some face powder under my eyes. And this is the powder from Maybelline, and it's Fit Me powder. Now I will make my eyebrows with the brow pencil from Swiss Beauty in the shade of brown. For eyeshadow, I'm using this Revelation eyeshadow palette, and I will apply some transition shade all over my eyes. Now I will apply this green eyeshadow all over my eyes. This is a bottle green eyeshadow. It's time to do some cut crease, and for that I will choose the black one, and with this black eyeshadow I will make my cut crease. So here it is. I have this C2P green glitter eyeshadow. I don't have any eyeshadow glue for glitter eyeshadow, so I'm using this primer. So first I will make my brush wet, and then I can apply the glitter eyeshadow all over my eyelid area. I will brush off all the fallout because it's a glitter eyeshadow, definitely it will have some fallout. And now I'm applying some highlighting concealer from Swiss Beauty in the shade of 01. For eyelashes, I have M75 Bronson eyelashes, and for glue, I'm using Miss Claire eyelashes glue, and in the shade of black because I always prefer black glue rather than white one. And in this look, I didn't feel to use any eyeliner or kajal because it has already very smoky and glittery bold eyes. For mascara, I'm using this L'Oreal Paradise Voluminized Mascara, and this is the new eyeshadow palette from Mars, and I'm applying some highlighting green eyeshadow at the inner corner of my eyes just to make my eyes more beautiful or highlighting. It's the time to do some base makeup, and for that first I will apply some primer. It's a primer from Inside 3 in 1, and it's a silicone based primer, and I just love this one. And for the very first time I'm using this L'Oreal 24-hour matte foundation. Guys, oh my god, it has very high coverage. So in your big occasion or marriage or mehendi, definitely you can go for this foundation. I just love this one. And for contouring and highlighter, I will use this duo stick. First I will contour my face, and then I will apply some highlighter. This highlighter has very subtle golden but silvery touch, and it reflects on my skin so well, so I really like this highlighter. So a big thumbs up for this highlighter from my side. And this is a cream blusher, and I will apply it on the highlighter and then I will blend. So blend it. In winter makeup, lip balm is necessity. For lipstick, I'm using this shade from Nykaa, and this is the lovely red shade, and I really like it. It has a very creamy texture, but it glides on your lips so well. In the picture, you can see the sparkle glitter on the lips. So I'm using this glitter eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty glitter eye palette. So here it is. This is my final makeup look, guys. If you like or if you don't like, just let me know in the comment section. I will love to know. Thank you. Bye bye.